Hi everyone, so today we are going to be doing our ISN and History Pocket Folder setup. So for the American Revolution, this is how we are going to set it up. We are going to put in our table of contents and we are going to write the date. Okay? And then we're going to write American Revolution vocabulary. That's the first thing we're going to go over. Then we're going to go over the causes, the patriots, which is also the leaders, and the battles. And then this last one right here is going to say Declaration of Independence. Let me just write that. Okay. So as you can see, this is what it is going to look like. Once again, we are going to be writing first the date, and then this is what we're going to be writing for the titles, the descriptions of each of the pages. Okay, so right up here, the first cause, the French and Indian War. And here we have our objective. And also the question that I'm going to have you answer, but instead of answering it in your notebook, you are going to write it into your, instead of writing it in the notebook, you're going to put it into a Google form, which is going to be available on Google Classroom. Now, as you can see, here are the foldables. Okay, so this one says the effects of the French and Indian War, and in each box is the different effects that happened in the French and Indian War, and this is what you are going to be using when you are filling in the information from the video that I had posted, the podcast. And on this side, and this side is the causes of the French and Indian War. And once again, we are putting the information into these three boxes. So each of the causes is going into each box. Now, on the bottom here, these are the brain pop questions. This is where you are also going to be writing the answers to the brain pop questions. So while it is playing, you are going to be filling this part in. And if you need help, you know to ask either myself or one of the paras. Okay, now the next page is the British Acts. That is another one of the causes. So here is the worksheet. So those of you that are doing it into your notebooks, this is what you are going to be filling out. And just so you know, it is two-sided. Okay? And all of the information for this page okay, and also the Boston protests, as well as about the colonists uniting. These are the worksheets, and they are going to be available in class, and you are going to use the information to fill it in from the video about the reading of King George. What was his problem?